Hello, Jean-Pierre VITURAT, ROBOTFLEX Coordinator at Tecauma. Today I am introducing our ROBOTFLEX system, designed specifically for loading and unloading machine tools. The system is available in two main families: the TR family, designed for loading lathes, and the CU family optimized for loading machining centers. ROBOTFLEX can be installed on both new and existing machine tools, regardless of the brand, whether they are equipped with automatic doors or access hatches. This system is ideal for very small, and medium series, and allows quick transitions between series, with production setup taking only about 10 minutes. The ROBOTFLEX system features a robust one-piece chassis weighing over a ton, securely fixed to the ground to ensure exceptional stability. Its rigidity guarantees consistent positioning of parts in your machine tool throughout production. This chassis houses the entire electrical control system of the ROBOTFLEX, fully protected against dirt and oil projections. The polyarticulated robot arm is customized to the size and weight of the parts you need to handle. These high-precision robots offer excellent repeatability, and when combined with the features of the ROBOTFLEX, ensure precise part positioning throughout your production process. About safety, several solutions. A fully open area equipped with an area radar system, a semi-open area with safety light curtains, or a fully enclosed area featuring mesh or plexiglass enclosures and access doors. The gripper will be adapted to the shape and size of your parts. The TR version features concentric jaw clamps, while the CU version uses parallel jaw clamps. This gripper includes tool-free quick adjustment systems and is equipped with a dual clamping mechanism, offering independent pressure control for each clamp to perfectly accommodate both raw and machine parts. The load capacity of the machining center version can reach up to 20 kilograms, while the turning versions can support up to 30 kilograms. Higher capacities are also possible with custom-made configurations. Our gripper features a blowing nozzle designed to ensure thorough cleaning of your clamping system as well as your machine part. Various pads and parameters can be configured to optimize the blowing process. Our parts preparation tables are designed for simplicity and efficiency. They can be equipped with lined tabletops, enabling quick and easy positioning of your parts. Small guides help create organized stacks, maximizing your storage capacity. Cutout positioning grids offer unmatched versatility. These grids accommodate parts of various shapes and sizes, from simple forms like cylinders or prisms to complicated parts, such as casting, or parts being unstable after machining. We offer a variety of standard options, including putting down parts onto Euro format pallet, both picking up and putting down parts on pallets, and specialized pallets for heavy parts. Additional features can be customized to specific machining needs, such as twin spindle lathes, flipping systems to prepare your parts for future machining operations, but also handling non-standard items, such as long bars. ROBOTFLEX control interface features a user-friendly touchscreen operating in a classic Windows environment. No prior knowledge of automation or robotics is required to use it. Only a small amount of information needs to be entered at a time. Based on your selections, the system intuitively guides you and recommends the most suitable accessories to meet your needs. The interface is intuitive, with certain operations automated by the software and various checks in place to prevent operator errors or inconsistent choices. The system enables to create customized recipes adapted to your production needs, but also configure your accessories, such as gripping jaws, gripping grids, and clamping tools, ensuring complete autonomy.